Hello and welcome to Financeable. On this new video on how to log in into Prodigy finance account. So if you are new here, subscribe and press the notification bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming further videos. Now let's get started with the tutorial. So firstly, you need to open the web browser of your choice, and when you have opened the web browser, you just need to look in the top of the web browser. There will be a search bar. Click on the search bar and you just need to type Prodigy finance login, and when you have typed it, you just have to press enter in your keyboard. And after that, the web search result will be shown to you, and in the first search result there will be the Prodigy Finance. So you just have to click on the Prodigy Finance, and when you are inside this interface, you just need to look in the top right corner. There is an apply now, and in the left side of apply now there is a sign in button. You just have to click on the sign in button and you can log in as an student, investor, or as well as a school. So for this video, we'll log in as a student for the account. And when we are inside the login portal, there is an option to continue with LinkedIn or continue with Google, or you can just enter your email address or your password and you can log in and enjoy all the facilities and services provided to you by Prodigy Finance. And if you have forgotten your password, you can just click on the forgot password that is right below here, and you will be able to retry or change the password. And when you click on the sign in button here right down there, you will be able to sign in completely into Prodigy Finance. So this is how you can easily log in into Prodigy Finance account. So if this video was helpful to you, give a thumbs up button. Thank you.